Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use creatine powder. Creatine is a popular supplement known for boosting athletic performance, increasing strength, and supporting muscle growth. To start, you'll typically go through a loading phase to quickly fill your muscle creatine stores. It's also super important to drink plenty of water throughout the day when you're taking creatine to help your body process it efficiently and avoid any discomfort. After your initial loading phase, where you might take about 20 grams of creatine daily for 5 to 7 days, you'll transition to a maintenance phase. During maintenance, a daily dose of 3 to 5 grams is generally sufficient to keep your muscle creatine levels elevated. You can take your daily dose at any time, but many find it convenient to take it either before or after their workouts for consistency. Mixing creatine powder is straightforward. Simply dissolve your dose in water, juice, or even your favorite protein shake. While generally safe, some individuals might experience mild side effects like stomach upset or bloating, especially during the loading phase. It's always a good idea to listen to your body and, most importantly, consult with a healthcare professional before you begin any new supplement regimen to ensure it's right for you. To truly maximize the benefits of creatine, ensure you're consistently engaging in resistance training. Creatine works best when paired with a solid workout routine. Also, remember that a balanced diet, especially one rich in protein, will significantly support your muscle recovery and growth efforts. And speaking of staying hydrated, check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay on top of your hydration game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.